All right, so in this video, I want to show you one little last thing about React Router. So for that, let's go to the app.js file, and inside of here, let's delete this /card. And let's do the same thing in the contact.js file. I'm going to delete these two as well. And I'm going to save all this, flip back over to the browser, and let's see what happens. All right, so when I click this About link, we encountered a little problem right here. And when we go to /contact, we get the contact component, but we also get this individual card component as well. Why do you suppose that is? Well, it's because in this case, the contact URL right here, well, it matches this route for /contact, but it also matches this route for /user. So because, as you might be able to guess, this one is interpreting the /contact as a username as well as this about thing right here. So what we need is a way to only load up one of the two. Now, one way to do this would be to change this to /card and then /the user, just as we did a few seconds ago, because in this case, there's no way to match these two or with this. But you don't have to do it like this. So let's get rid of it. We can fix this with a switch tag. So let's just import this and set this up. Then I'll explain to you what it does. So we're going to import it from the React Router DOM. Then what we're going to do is surround all of these routes right here with the switch tag. All right, so what this does, at any point in time, it'll only show the one of these routes to take precedent. It won't match two at the same time. So now what's going to happen is when we type something in up here, or when we link to something, it's going to look at the URL right here, and then it will start at the top of these routes here and go down from there. Now, does it match this one? No. Does it match this one? No, it doesn't. This one? Yes, it does. So it's going to load this component and then stop there. It won't try to match the next one. If we didn't have the switch tag, then it would carry on and it would match as many as it could possibly find. But the switch tag right here, we're only going to be able to match the first one we find, and in this case, the /contact. So let's save it and try it out. Now I'll go to the contact page, and this works, and about page, and it works there too. So that's how we can use the switch tag to only load up one component. Cool, so let's take a break here, and we'll come back in the next section with a pretty amazing new topic. In fact, I'll tease it by saying that we're going to talk about React portals. Whoa. So now let's get some rest, and maybe we'll go on to the next section. Or if you can't wait to get started, let's do it right now.